Hey guys, it's Audrey and Victoria here from Mom Generation. So we're doing another Valentine's Day craft to share with you guys. We're doing easy toddler Valentine's Day crafts. So the first, the first step of this is we have to put your hair up. We have to put your hair up. Okay?
Yeah, before you have silver hair.
Is this all we have to do now, Daddy, in the morning to get this hair up? We just have to say, if you want to do a craft, you got to put, okay, ready?
Let the record state, these are not finger paints. First
messy bun. High five. First messy bun. Okay, so next, moms, have paper towels on hand. Okay, so this is all you need for this craft. So the last one we did, go check it out. Super duper easy craft. This is just as easy. You do need paint for this. You need some finger paint. Obviously make sure it's non-toxic paint that your toddler can use. And that is not included in the craft. Next, you get any piece of paper, because it's Valentine's Day, I recommend or suggest white, red, pink, purple, some lovey colors. So the first thing you do is just get a piece of construction paper, and then you want to cut out a heart. Now, the heart can be any colored heart. You want to switch it up again? We have swapped these about 4 times. Okay, now I'm going to show you what you do next. So you just take any cutout heart. Again, I did pink and red because they were Valentine's Day-ish, but I'm going to show you why it doesn't matter. So now you're going to take your finger. I want them in this. But it's going to be tough because Mommy's going to show you why Mommy switched up the color hearts, okay? No, I want them like this. All right, but watch. So you're going to take your finger, dip it in the paint, one finger, just like this. Come on, over here. All right, so dip one finger in. Ready? Go. Okay, now around the paper, put little fingerprints. Good job. Tons of fingerprints, okay? You can do tons of fingerprints around the paper. Just don't get, look at me, do tons of fingerprints, right? And you can even do around the heart, right? Because the point is to do as many little fingerprints as you possibly can to fill the paper. But you want it to be special and to remember that these are your child's or mommy's fingerprints as we go, right, sis? Remember, don't...
Well, we're going to have silver paint on our table for the rest of our lives.
What are you talking about?
We'll remember it from that.
Let's be positive, Daddy. Let's be positive people. This is supposed to be a fun Valentine's Day craft. Right, Henry?
You having fun, sis?
Right, sis? Tell Daddy you're having tons of fun. I'm trying to go quick so I can show you why we keep the heart in the middle, okay? So these are all Mommy's fingerprints. And again, you really try to go around the heart. And then once you've filled the paper, I think we know where this is going, right? You take the cutout off and you have an outline of a heart. My husband's squinting his
Sissy's doesn't really
squinting his eyes.
Sissy has a beautiful rectangle.
Remember, you just keep going around the heart, okay? Because look, you want to have a heart cutout on it.
You just did a square.
I didn't do a square.
No, she did.
But that's okay. Mommy's gonna tell you to keep going.
I don't know how to.
Mommy's gonna look. Remember, we go around the heart like this. Help Mommy. This is gonna be a Mommy Sissy Valentine's Day project.
Okay, maybe we'll have silver paint on the couch too.
Daddy, can we be a little positive?
What is that? What is that?
Okay, and then we're gonna go boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
Ready? Keep going around the heart. Right? See that? Go all around the heart. You can make them as fun.
See the gray paint on the table?
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Tell Daddy. Okay, so then when you're done, you do get a paper towel, right? And then we're going to get the pen that we had earlier for our last craft. I definitely will. This pen will come off easily. And then in the middle, you can write like a Valentine's Day. This is a homemade card that you can send to. So I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day. I think Henry and Daddy think that we're crazy. Love, Mommy. Okay? And if it makes anybody feel better, you can actually draw the heart to show the outline of what the goal was. All right? So watch. Let's take this white heart out. And let's see if this looks like it's a heart. It looks like it's the outline of a heart. Doesn't it? Oh, you want to go whose is better? You want to play this game?
You want to write I love Dad in the middle of that?
A 4-year-old and a 40-year-old? Whose is better? Where do you see the heart defined better?
Sissy.
That's right.
Because she did much better.
She did much better. Sis, who do you want us to have this to? Happy Valentine's Day to who?
Henry.
Dad.
Henry.
No, I want to do it too.
Henry.
Happy Valentine's to Grandma and Papa.
Oh.
And Gogo and Papa.
So I'm going to say
And
grandparents.
Henry and Dad.
No.
Okay, and then obviously you can have your child draw inside and do whatever you want. But again,
No,
easy,
you
quick,
write
fast.
Grandma and Gogo
I
and
will.
Papa
I
and
will.
Papa.
I will do that. So I'm going to make a little bit of a heart outline that you can actually draw with some crayons inside. And then we can say to them that these are all your fingerprints with a couple
Sis,
of mommy's too.
your paint rag is on the floor.
All right, we have to do cleaning, damage control. So my advice to anybody out there that's gonna be trying: newspaper on the ground,
Stop.
do it on a dining room table, and that's it. Happy Valentine's
pick that up.
Day!
Happy